Here's one of our keto diabetic diet staples. I lost 100 pounds in the last year. This is one of the main meals that I would make to be able to get along the journey. I whip out my 18 home style meatballs. Now, there's two ways that you can go ahead and do this depending on how you like it. If you like them crispy, you can go ahead and throw them inside an air fryer for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. It'll give it a nice little crispy outside. Or you can throw it in the microwave for 2 minutes. We always like to throw our quick sauteed onions on there. We'll have that video at the end if you haven't seen that yet. So we always like to throw our quick sauteed onions to go ahead and add some texture and some extra filling. And then depending on how you want to dress it up, you can go ahead and throw some gravy on it for some home style, some barbecue sauce on it to have a barbecue feel, or what we're going to be doing today, you can throw some Parmesan cheese and pasta sauce on there. For the Italian feel, we do a 1/4 cup of pasta sauce and a tablespoon of Parmesan. Bon appetit. If you want some extra goodies to go with it, you could always get some Swiss cheese, spicy cheese, or a cheese stick to go along with it. Never hungry, letting the body do what it does naturally with science. Thank you so much for enjoying the recipe. If you have not already gotten a copy of our Scared of Needles, How I Lost 100 Pounds in 1 Year, please make sure you check the link below to get yourself a copy. It got me to get my A1C regular, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, got rid of fatty liver, obesity, and of course, no longer diabetic. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.